Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create email templates with Mailchimp. First of all, what you have to do is sign in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're signed in, click on this create button which is on the top left corner. Click on create. Now you will see a bunch of different options, email, SMS. So you have to click on email. Now you have regular email, plain text email. So today I'm going to show you about the regular email templates. So click on it. Create an email. Keep your subscribers engaged by sharing your latest news, promoting a line of product, or announcing an event. So, internal email name. You can name it as anything. For example, I will name it as sample. I will click on begin. Now, how do you want to design your email? From scratch, basic layout, fully designed template. You can select anything you want. So what I will do, I will go for the fully designed template. So I don't have to work anymore. So from here, what you have to do, you can choose. There are some pre-made templates you can choose from. Now let's suppose if I like this template, I will click on preview. This is now resonating with my own company. So what I will do, I will click on continue to builder. There are some options. What I can do, I can change this image. For example, I can remove this image by clicking here and replace, or I can also replace the image by uploading or browsing images from my file explorer. I can also change my logo. This is my logo already uploaded. If I want to replace my logo, I can click on it. You can also change tone to, for example, friendly, excited. I will change it to excited. It will automatically generate text with the help of AI. As you can see, it is showing me some of the examples. So what I will do, I will simply click on apply. And as you can see, don't miss the festival. This is written with the help of AI. So you can change anything. For example, if you want to remove anything, what you can do, just simply select this section and simply press the back button or the backspace on with your keyboard. You can our email addresses, you can list your email address here. So these are all the changes you can make. You can also make changes to the colors and design and visibility. And once you're done, go back. There are some, you can add headings, paragraphs, buttons. As you can see, there is a buy now button. So you can customize the email, the template, the way you want. So once you're done, you have to simply click on save and exit, and you're done. And that's how to create email templates with the help of Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.